What's up, guys? Hi everyone, Tony here. Welcome back to another video. Today I have another update on my banana plant. As you can see, it ain't doing too hot. In South Carolina, I forgot what day. It was a couple of days ago. We had a freeze over for 2 nights. The first night it hit it, but it was some damage to the leaf, but not that crazy. Second night it took it out. As you can see, it's still alive. It's still kicking. But, yeah, there's some destroyed leaves. So, I was going to prune it. But, I need to do an update. Show people how it's doing. Especially after this freeze over. So, I got some regular scissors. Some ultra sharp scissors. And I'm going to prune back all the old leaves and the dead leaves. So near the base cut, and it's so crazy how much liquid is truly inside of banana plants, because as soon as you cut it, you can see all the water just start coming out. It's oddly satisfying. Here's another one. I'm gonna leave the newest leaves. This was a brand new leaf, and you see what happened to it. Brand new, you can see it. It's a brand new leaf. It just came out, and the cold just knocked it out. So these are so good. So I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna cut this one. Definitely gonna cut this one. As you can see again, this was a brand new leaf also, and this is how it's looking. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this one. Let's see. I'm also gonna cut this one, and sorry for my poor coordination with the camera. Sadly, I've never been too good at my coordination with the camera, so if I'm all over the place with the camera, then yeah, that's what's going on. Alright. Oh, I completely missed this. At this point, I think it might be best to just prune everything back and just let it, I don't know. I'm gonna keep these two. I think I'm gonna just keep it like how it is right now and wait till it grows some more new leaves. Or however it'll fare during the winter. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Of course, with the cold, it may have stunted the growth just a little bit, so it's not growing as fast as it did when it was hotter. But of course, if anything happens, anything going on, we'll keep y'all updated. So hopefully this will also keep the ground cold. I mean, as warm as possible while me putting these leaves down here, and also added compost, of course. But yeah, just want to do a quick little update of my banana plant and how it fared in the cold. You know, it's still kicking. You can still see the green, but yeah, and how big the stalk got. That thing is huge. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little update. I will have a update soon in the upcoming months, and to keep an eye on my banana plants, and see how it progresses. I do want to see this plant pretty big to the point I had to prune it with a ladder. And soon I could see some fruit and hopefully share it with the family. But if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will see y'all in the next updated video or next video in general. Thank you all for watching, and Tyler here 120 out. Peace.